Yes, people, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, we're doing this chapter called as Basic Accounting Terms. So, in the last class, we had a discussion on the few terms. Let's do a very quick recap of that. Then we'll start with the new terms for today. Now, in the last class, we had a discussion on what is the meaning of financial statement. This word very often will come across multiple places in multiple questions. So if somebody asks you, what is the financial statement? What will you say? In the layman language, in the layman perspective, what does financial statement means? In layman perspective, sir, it's a report card of the business. It is a report card of the business. Will you write this in exam and come? No, this is only for our understanding. Okay. As per accounting, what is the meaning of financial statement? Financial statement consists of a set of documents that shows the financial status of the business at a specific point of time. This financial statement consists of two documents. One is called as trading and profit and loss account. Second is called as balance sheet. Got it? Not got it? This is in case of sole proprietorship business concern. Got it? Not got it? What is sole proprietorship business concern? A single owner runs the business. FFLA. I'm the single owner running the business. So this kind of business arrangement is called as sole proprietorship concern. Got it? Not got it? For them, the financial statement will comprise of two documents. One is called as trading and profit and loss account. Second is called as balance sheet. Sir, for partnership concern, is it going to be something else? Yes. The financial statement for the partnership concern is going to be something else. The financial statement for companies is going to be something else. It is same only. One or two documents here and there will get added. Got it? Not got it? For example, in partnership business, the financial statement will comprise of trading account, profit and loss account, and a new document called as profit and loss appropriation account, and then balance sheet. Got it? Not got it? In case of companies, the trading and profit and loss account is given a new name called as statement of P&L, then balance sheet, then cash flow statement, then notes to accounts. Got it? Not got it? So depending on for what people or for what business you're preparing the accounts, accordingly, the meaning of the financial statement will change. Now, this financial statement, what I'm discussing is from whose point of view? From the point of view of the sole proprietorship business concern. Got it? Not got it? When you come to 12th standard, you have partnership also, you have company accounts also. So about this, we'll discuss in depth in 12th standard. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Trading and profit and loss account is prepared to identify what? To identify the performance of my business. How do I know my business is performing well or not well? By looking into profit and loss. So in the trading and profit and loss account, what data do we capture? What data do we capture? We capture all information related to income. We capture all information related to expenses. In trading and P&L account, what information do we capture? We capture information relating to income. We capture information relating to expenses, because from income, if I minus expense, what do I get? Profit or loss. If income is more than expense, it is profit. If expense is more than income, loss. Got it? Not got it? So looking at the profitability of the business, you can understand whether this business is doing well or not doing well. Got it? Not got it? For that purpose, I need to prepare a document called as trading and profit and loss account. This is also called as sometimes income statement. What is it called as? Income statement. Okay. So why do we prepare the balance sheet? Because on a particular date, I want to know the position of my assets, liabilities, and capital. Means on a particular date, that is typically on 31st March, end of the financial year, I want to know how much money is there in my hand, how much cash is there in my hand, how much is my bank balance, how much is my bank balance. Then on a particular date, I want to know how much money should I receive. On a particular date, I want to know how much money to pay to somebody. All this memory related information, all the memory related information is stored in a document called as balance sheet. Got it? Not got it? About this in depth, I'm yet to discuss. Whatever I've discussed in last class, that is what I'm revising. I have to give a lot of information to you. You don't know what is balance sheet. How does balance sheet look like? You don't know. In that, what is asset? You don't know. What is liabilities? You don't know. What is capital? You don't know. These two terms I'll discuss today only. So only when I discuss all of these terms, and then I come back and ask you what is balance sheet, you will be able to get an image of it and then understand in a better manner. Today, it seems as if you're by-hearting because there is no image in your mind. When I close my eyes and think about balance sheet, there's a beautiful image in my mind. There's a beautiful concept related in my mind, which you don't have it. And that is what I'm trying to build in this entire 11th standard. Got it, not got it, clear or not clear? Right from day one, it is not possible that you'll get a wholehearted comfortability in whatever you're learning. No, eventually everything will get understood. Got it, not got it. The entire purpose of studying accounts for the entire 1 year, 11th standard. Why? To understand everything properly. So certain things will take time. Am I loud and clear? Okay. So balance sheet is prepared to find out the financial position. Means what? What is the position of my assets, liabilities, and capital on a particular date? On a particular date. Got it, not got it? Okay. Then we discussed in the last class about the accounting period. Accounting period is typically for how many months? It is 12 months. It starts with April, ends with March. Correct? Now this becomes your financial year. Accounting period is also called as financial year. So is it compulsory? Does accounting rules compulsory says that your financial year should be April to March only? No. As per accounting, you can have anything as your financial year. But to ensure that we don't do duplicate accounting, we don't do multiple accounting, what do we follow? April to March, because Income Tax Act says that, income tax law says that we want the income tax returns to be submitted for the period April to March. So what did we say? Okay, anyways, income tax department wants the data, which is from April to March. So let's do accounting for April to March itself. Got it, not got it? So in order not to do multiple time accounting, in order to do accounting only one time, what did we also agree? Okay, let's do April to March as your financial year, as your accounting period. But if any company wants or any business wants to have a financial year which is Jan to December, can they follow? Yes. Apana, they will do accounting Jan to December for their comfortability, for their company. But can you submit that to income tax department? No. Income tax department says, I don't want Jan to December ka accounting. I want only for April to March ka accounting. Got it, not got it? So your accounting period is typically for 12 months, which starts with April, ends with March. Can your accounting period be less than 12 months? Can your accounting period be less than 12 months? Everybody is saying no. And answer is yes, it is possible. In two cases. You started business in 1 October, boss. When did you start your business? 1st October. From 1st October to March year ending. How many months? October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. How many months? 6 months. So you'll account for how many months? 6 months. Your accounting period is for how many months? 6 months. Your financial year is for how many months? 6 months. Got it, not got it? I started the business somewhere in middle of the year. Somewhere in middle of the year. So in that case, my accounting period can never be 12 months. In that case, it will be less than 12 months. Got it, not got it? Okay. This is one instance. This is one instance where your accounting period is less than 12 months. Can you give me another instance? Can you give me another instance? Very good. Clap for him. Clap, clap, clap. The business got closed somewhere in the middle of the year. Imagine November 15th, the business got closed. November 15th, middle of November, business got closed. Now you'll do accounting from April to November. April to November. Got it, not got it? So April to November, how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, mid. 8.5 months. Who said 5? Pratik, know your name? Anu Pratik. This Pratik is saying 8.5 months. That Pratik is saying 5 months. नहीं मेरे को पहले उसका आंसर जानना है. 5 कैसे बोला? I say, oh my gosh. How did you say 5 months? I didn't calculate, sir. I just felt like saying, I said, oh my God. What an innovative answer. Hello, great. Now you got how to calculate, Pratik? Or should I teach one more time? This Pratik, should I teach one more time? No. Got it now? Okay. April to November mid. How many months? 8.5 months. So accounting period, reporting period is 8.5 months. So can it be less than 12 months? Possible. So these are the two exceptional circumstances where your accounting period can be less than 12 months. Otherwise, it is 12 months. Apart from these two instances, when the business is continuing for multiple years, it is April to March. How many months? 12 months. Got it, not got it? Now, to take example, okay, before that, tell me people, entity has the year ending 31st March 24. Tell me, this is which financial year? There is a business entity who has the year ending 31st March 24. You tell me what it is. 23, 24. Ah. Huh. One answer I got 23, 24. Others, what do you say? Others, what do you say? Give him space, no, to sit. Yeah. AC बंद है वहां पे? AC is shut down, no? Okay. Some people said this is 23, 24. Donkey people they are. Others, you tell me what is your answer? This is pertaining into which financial year? This entity is having which financial year now? When is year ending 31st March 24? Which year it is? 31st March 24 is ending. So what is the beginning? 1/4/23. So 1 April is coming in which calendar year? 23. And 31st March is coming in which calendar year? 24. Since April is falling in a different calendar year and March is falling in different calendar year, now both combining together, we call it as 23, 24. Got it, not got it. This year ending is coming from two calendar year. One 23, second is 24. First April is falling in 23 and 31st March is falling in which calendar year? 2024. Got it, not got it. So whenever financial year comes like this 23, 24, so your year ending is what date? Year ending is what date? 31st March 24. 31st March 24. So tell me people, if the year ending is 26, 27, the year ending is 26, 27, what is my beginning date? What is the beginning date? Business beginning date this year. Very good. 1 April 26. Year ending date 31st March 27. Okay. Year ended 31st December 26. So this entity is following which financial year? If the question says the financial year ending, the financial year ended on 31st December 26 means which financial year this is. Now ending date is 31/12. But what will be the beginning date? 1 year before that, which is 1/1/26. Because accounting period is for how many months? 12 months. So 1/1/26 to 31/12/26. How many months in total? 12 months. If year ending is 31/12/26 means year beginning is 1/1/26. Now both opening date and the closing date are falling in the same calendar year. Hence here the financial year will be referred as 2026 only. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Am I teaching anything new or are we discussing, have we discussed this in the last class? We already discussed this in the last class. This is a recap. Got it, not got it? Okay. Then what else did we discuss? Then we discussed if you want to do business, there are only two industry. One is goods industry. Second is service industry. If you are belonging to goods industry, you can be either of these two. Either you can be a manufacturer or you can be a trader. What does the manufacturer do? He does manufacturing. What does the manufacturer do? He does manufacturing. What does the trader do? Trading. What is trading? Buying and selling. What is manufacturing? Making and selling. Wonderful. What is trading? Buying and selling. What is manufacturing? Making and selling. Correct it is. Now, I have to give this a little bit more technical way of answering, no? So if somebody asks you, what is manufacturing? Okay. Converting raw material into finished goods. Lovely. That's also right. Now, in simple layman language, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing means collecting all the raw materials. Which raw materials? Required raw materials. You put them through a process. At the end of a process, a distinct product, a new product will emerge, which has got its own feature and characteristics, which is very different from the raw material. In the last class, I gave an example. Which example? Very good. Cake. So for cake, initially we put ingredients, wheat flour, then sugar, whatever all we discussed in the last class. Now, all that is called as ingredients in the local language. But in accounting terminology, there's nothing called as ingredient. All of these are called as raw material. Then all the raw material we put together and we had a liquid form of something. What is it called as? We called it as batter. We called it as batter. No, batter in accounts is called as semi-finished goods. The batter ka another name is not semi-finished goods. Anything which is half done, anything which is half done is called as semi-finished goods. Got it? Not got it? So for a manufacturing, what do I first need? For manufacturing, what do I need first? Raw material. The raw materials are put into a process. What process? Manufacturing process. If the process is half done, then we call this as semi-finished goods or work in progress stage. If the process is completed fully, the final product that we get is called as FG, which is finished goods. Got it? Not got it? So all the ingredients of the cake is called as raw material. The cake in batter position is called as semi-finished goods. And the cake which is finally ready for its consumption, that is called as finished goods. Got it? Not got it? So the manufacturer will sell the finished goods. Manufacturer will not sell the raw material. A manufacturer will not sell the semi-finished goods. What will he sell? The finished goods. The same finished goods, for a trader, it becomes traded goods. It becomes traded goods. Got it? Not got it? Tell me, yes or no? Yes. So what is trading business? Trading business is a business where you buy the product and sell as it is. You do not alter the characteristics of the product. Got it? Not got it? You don't alter the nature of the product. If I'm buying cake, I will sell cake as it is. I'm not going to alter from cake. I'm not going to make something else. If I'm making something else out of it, means it becomes manufacturing process. Got it? Not got it? So if you're dealing with goods, either you can be a manufacturer or you can be a trader. Now, traders are of multiple types. Wholesaler is one form of trading business. Retailing is one form of trading business. If you're a dealer, stockist, all these are different forms of trading business. Got it? Not got it? So under trader, there are multiple sub-concepts. C&F, clearing forwarding agent, that is also coming under the concept of trading only. Got it? Not got it? So there are multiple things which you'll study in the upcoming classes. Got it? Not got it? Now, service means what? What I'm doing is service. Service is providing the intellect to somebody. Got it? Not got it? Yeah, yes or no? What am I doing? I'm providing services to all of you. I'm providing my intellect. I'm giving my knowledge, my experience to all of you for your benefit, for which you are paying me money in return. Got it? Not got it? The person who's giving the service is called as service provider. The person who's giving the service is called as service provider. Who am I? Service provider. I'm giving services to you. Who are you? Service receiver. Service receiver. Got it? Not got it? Now, the person who's selling the product is called as seller. The person who's buying the product is called as buyer. The person who's selling goods is called as seller. The person who's buying the goods is called as buyer. Okay, not okay? क्या बोला? कुछ तो बोला. Consumer. Okay. Simple language, layman language. Consumer and all. Suddenly, if you come and tell me, I'll get confused. Seller, buyer. Got it? Not got it? Any problem so far? Did I teach anything technical? Everything I taught in very simple layman language. Got it? Not got it? This is what we discussed in the last class. Yes or no? Yeah. Service point, I just said right now. Last class, we didn't discuss in deep because in your entire 11th and 12th, there is no importance on the service concept. So I didn't go too much into deep also. But as a teacher, I felt like saying today, I said it. Is that okay? Okay, no? Okay. AC mechanic is coming and doing AC ka repair. Is it service or goods? He is providing his knowledge, experience for repairing the product. So that is also service. So AC mechanic is service provider or receiver? He's service provider. You are service receiver. Got it? Not got it? Pritesh, you lost. What happened? No problem? Hungry? Hungry? No, not hungry? Okay. No, if you are hungry, then I'll order something for you to eat. Nothing? Okay. So the boys are discussing, oh, sir, and I'll order and give. Order பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவேன் காசு நீ தான் கொடுக்கணும். Now, then we discussed very importantly purchase. Okay, before that, tell me what is the meaning of goods? What is the meaning of goods in business? From accounting perspective, what is the meaning of goods? Something which you can physically touch, physically identifiable. Second, held for either use or sell. Held for sale. For example, goods purchased by the trader for selling. That goods become your goods. I mean, that product becomes your goods. Got it, not got it. Second, I'm buying something which I'm going to consume as raw material. Goods purchased by manufacturer as raw material. Then that raw material will be termed as goods. Got it, not got it. Consumption here means I'm telling for purpose of raw material. Raw material alone is exempted here. Got it, not got it. Apart from this, if you buy goods for any other purpose, I will not call that as goods. I will not call that as goods. Example I give you. What is that? Sorry? Furniture. Nahi. I give example of stationery. I said last class, I purchased stationery. Stationery, can I physically touch? Yes, technically it is goods. But in accounting, do we call it as goods? No, because this stationery, neither I'm going to sell it, nor I'm going to use it as a raw material. So in that case, this will not be called as goods. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? I will call this as just stationery expenses. Goods means what? Whenever in business I refer the word goods, goods means only two things. Either I'm going to sell it or I'm going to consume as raw material. As raw material, I'm going to consume it. Got it, not got it? No. What is purchase? What is purchase? In normal language, forget accounting. In day-to-day language, purchase means what? Anything that I buy is purchase. Anything that I buy is purchase. Anything that I buy is purchase. But in accounting, it's not like that. Because something, if you say it is purchase, no. If you say something as purchase, it goes to purchase account. And everything does not go to purchase account. Two things only will go to purchase account. Which two things? Raw material and traded goods. So what is purchase? What is purchase? The goods that you buy with intention to sell or resell or use in manufacturing or use in manufacturing. So what do I use in manufacturing? Raw materials are used in manufacturing. What do I buy and sell? Traded goods I buy and sell. So only traded goods and raw materials can go to purchase account. Got it, not got it? Rest all never comes under purchases. This is very, very, very important. Now, tell me people, I'm into the business of buying and selling stationery. I'm into business of buying and selling stationery products. So if I purchase stationery product, paper, pen, pencil, calculator, whatever I buy, can I call that as goods? Yes. Can I put in purchase account as purchases? Yes, because I'm going to sell them. So it goes to your purchase account. Got it, not got it? Okay. Same example. I'm buying the stationery item, paper, pencil, pen, whatever you say. But who am I? I'm a teacher. I'm running academy. So this stationery, what I'm buying, can I put the stationery expenses as purchases? No, because my intention is not to sell. My intention is not to use for manufacturing. In that case, the stationery, what I purchase is my stationery expenses, not purchase expenses. Got it, not got it? So this will go to stationery expenses category, not to purchase expense category. This distinction is very, very important. Got it, not got it? So purchase can be either be made of traded goods or raw materials. Only these two things will go to your purchase account. Okay, not okay? The goods that you purchased, you don't like it, you're returning it. That is called as purchase return. When the goods are returned, the goods goes outside the business. The goods goes outside the business. Return outwards. Return outwards. So another name for purchase return is return outwards. Got it, not got it? This is also last class ka revision. Yes or no? Okay. What is sales or turnover? Whatever the product value or the service value that is sold to the customer, that is called as sales or turnover. Sales is a terminology that is typically used for goods industry. Only for goods. Today I sold 10 lakh worth of product. Tomorrow I sold 20 lakh worth of product. So sales is a terminology which is highly used only for goods. Then where should we service people go? So we had a problem. We said that we want a different terminology which can cover our sales also. So they gave a new terminology called as turnover. Turnover. So whatever fees I collect from you, whatever fees I'm collecting from all the students, 11, 12, foundation, inter, final, all put together is called as my turnover. Is called as my turnover. Got it, not got it? Whether providing services, whether by providing the services or even by selling the book, all put together is called as turnover. So turnover is a broad term. In that service also will come, goods also will come. The fees what I've collected from you is service fee. That is also part of turnover. And if I sell the books, from book I'm getting book value, no? That is also called as turnover. The sale value is also called as turnover. So turnover is a broad category. Under that, the term sales comes. Got it, not got it? So turnover has got a very broad meaning. Under that, what comes? Sales also comes. Got it, not got it? So this turnover will increase. Sales will increase when you sell more and more goods to the customer. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? So when the goods that you purchased with intention to sell, upon selling it, the money what you're supposed to collect from your customer, no, that is called as sales or turnover. Got it, not got it? Tell no. The goods that you sold to your customer, if they don't like, they will return it. That is called a sales return. Return of the goods coming inside the business, because if customer returns the goods will come inside the business. Hence, it is also called as return inwards. Got it? Not got it? Till this we discussed in the last class. Am I right? Till this we discussed in the last class. Now we're going to discuss the fresh terminology. The next term that we have to discuss is expenses. Often we'll come across the term called as expenses. What does expenses mean? What does expenses mean? Anything that is spent in the business, is it expense? Anything that is spent in the business, is it expense? For example, rent paid 24 lakh rupees for 24 months. We are now in which financial year? We are now in which financial year? We are now in which financial year? 26, 27. I paid rent for 26, 27 and 27, 28 both put together. 26, 27 financial year, how many months? 12 months. 27, 28 financial year, how many months? 12 months. Both put together how much? 24 months. So for 24 months, today, 24 lakh paid. So can I take full 24 lakh as expenditure? Because the moment I said rent paid, everybody said expenditure. Which means you're not clear with the meaning of expenses. Anything that I pay in business, is it expenditure? No. Payment has got no connection with the term expenditure. Payment ku expenses ku sambandhame kediyadu. There is no relation between expenses and the amount paid. In accounting, the meaning of expenses is defined in slightly different manner. Now, what is the meaning of expenses? Expenses are the cost a business has to pay to run its operation and earn income. Expenditure means the cost that I have to pay or the cost that I have to incur to run the business and earn income. So ultimately, what is expenditure? Expenditure is cost incurred to earn income. This is the ultimate crux. What is expenditure? Expenditure is cost incurred to earn income. If I am doing any expenditure, if that expenditure is helping me to earn the income in the current year, that expense is called as expense of the current year. Got it, not got it? Now, 24 lakh rupees I have paid as total amount. In that, how much is my current year ka expenditure? How much is my current year ka expenditure? Half of it. 24 lakh divided by 24 month. If I do, I'll get rent for 1 month. Rent for 1 month. This is basic mathematics. 24 lakh divided by 24 month. If I do, I'll get rent for 1 month. In current year, how many months are there? 12 months. For 12 months, how much? 12 lakh. So out of this 24 lakh, 12 lakh is my current year ka expenditure. Got it? Not got it? Did I take full 24 lakh as expenditure? No, 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 no. Only 12 lakh as expenditure. Which means you need to understand what is the meaning of expenditure in true sense. Now the question that comes to your mind is, sir, when 12 lakh rupees of this year, you said it is expenditure. Agreed. Then the 12 lakh what I paid for 27, 28 in current year, what it will be termed as? We will call that as prepaid expenditure. So this is also expenditure only? No, sir. No. This is expenditure of next year. This is expenditure of next year. So out of this 24 lakh, this 12 lakh will go to my current year's trading and profit and loss account. Out of this 24 lakh, this 12 lakh is there. No, this 12 lakh will go to my current year ka trading and profit and loss account. Got it? Not got it? Because this trading and P&L account consists of current year income. From that, I'll minus current year ka expenditure to get what? Current year ka profit. Got it? Not got it? So for calculating current year's profit, can I put next year's expense today itself? Does it make sense? Forget accounting rules. I'm asking you, does it make sense? Current year ka profit I have to calculate. So what I'm doing, no, next year current expense I'll put in the current year itself. Why? Because I made the payment. Why? Because I made the payment. Will you allow me? To get the true profit of current year, what do I need? Income of current year, expenditure of current year. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Tell no. Any doubts you have? About prepaid expenses, in depth I have to discuss. In depth I have to discuss. And this is there in your syllabus also. Not just in 11th, 12th also. So this we have to discuss aram se properly. I'm just trying to put a seed in your mind that what is expenditure? So expenditure is nothing but cost incurred by the business. Why? To earn income. To earn income. This 12 lakh rupees is what is contributing to the income of current year. Yes or no? I'm paying current year. How much rent? 12 lakh. This 12 lakh what I paid as rent is helping me to earn current year ka income. So in current year, I should record only that expense which is giving the income for the current year. Got it, not got it? To earn income for this current year, which expenses has helped me, that expenses alone I'll take in the जान पहचान वाला है फोटो में नहीं फोटो सीधा करूं गर्दन में लचक पड़ जाएगी I'll make it straight next time. Okay, now no, whatever you want to tell now, I'll get all things arranged. No problem. I'm telling you, whichever expenses has helped me to earn the current year income, that is only termed as expenditure. If I've incurred any cost in the current year, which is not giving me any benefit in the current year, which is not generating any income in the current year, I will not even call that as expenditure. Got it, not got it? In other words, only that expenditure I'll record as expenditure in my books of accounts from which I've derived benefit. From which I've derived benefit. Got it, not got it? Now, the 24 lakh rupees rent what you've paid, out of this, current year ka benefit is drawn for how much amount? Only 12 lakh worth of rent what you've paid is for current year 26-27. Benefit enjoyed for 26-27. Whereas the remaining 12 lakh what you've paid, the benefit of this will come in which year? Next year, 27-28. So when the benefit is coming next year, this 12 lakh should be recorded expenses when? Next year. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Are you able to understand the difference of expense? In our local day-to-day language, what is expenditure? Any money that I've spent is expenditure. Yes or no? But accounts says payment has not got no connection with expenditure. So in accounts, what is expenditure? What is expenditure? A cost incurred to get benefit. If I've incurred any cost where the benefit is coming in current year itself, then that cost becomes my expenditure of current year. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Now, this is very, very crucial. I'll ask about this multiple times in future because based on this, we have a lot of questions also. So I've put one nice concept in your head. Have you got it? Okay. In other words, expense means cost incurred to earn the income. Expenses generally reduces the profit of the business. Why? Because my income is 10 lakh. If I don't minus expenditure, what is my profit going to be? 10 lakh. But the moment I minus expenditure 8 lakh, my profit reduces to 2 lakhs. So expenses generally reduces the profit of the business. Is it good or bad? It is good or bad? It's good. Expenses are good because anyways you have to incur that money. So if that money, income tax department does not allow us to minus up till now, then what is your profit going to be? 10 lakh. So tax what you pay will be on 10 lakh. 1 second, people. The tax what you pay will be on 10 lakh rupees. Will you be happy to pay tax on 10 lakh? Or will you be happy to pay tax on 2 lakh? 2 lakh because more profit, more tax. Less profit, less tax. That doesn't mean that we should not earn profit because ultimate motive of doing business is to earn profit only. But what we are telling as a businessman is that if I'm incurring any expenditure in my business, please allow me to minus that expenditure. Got it, not got it? Only then I'll get to know what is my true profit that I've earned. So the true profit what I've earned, on that I'll pay tax. On the income, I will not pay tax. Got it, not got it? From this 10 lakh rupees, 8 lakh rupees is spent in my business. 8 lakh I've spent in my business. So actual money, how much did you make? Actually, how much profit did you make? Only 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh is the final profit on which you'll pay tax. Got it? Not got it? Sir, can you give examples of rent? Sorry, examples of expenses. First is rent. Rent expenditure for the business. Without rent, can I take the benefit of this academy or running the academy? Without paying the rent, you cannot sit here. If you're not sitting here, I cannot take class. If I cannot take class, how will I generate income? So rent is required to generate the income of the current year. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Electricity charges that we are paying. No electricity means no light connection. No light connection means how will the projector run? How will my system run? Nothing can function. Can we get benefit without paying electricity? No. So electricity is that cost incurred to earn the income. Telephone expenses. Tell me, people, before you came to this academy, what did you do? You called and found out, sir, do you take class? We take class. What is the timing of the class? Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, we take so and so time. Sunday, we take so and so time. So much is the fees. All the initial thing we communicated through telephone. Imagine if I don't pay telephone bill, no telephone, can I function my business? Because nobody will come directly here. For convenience, people always call first. So the telephone expenses that I'm incurring every month, it is helping me to earn the income, either directly or indirectly. Not all expenses directly earn income. Not all expenses help you to earn the income directly. Some will be helping you to earn the income directly, and some will help you to earn the income indirectly. Got it? Not got it? But in short, expenses are those costs which will help you to earn income or derive some benefit or the other. Got it? Not got it? Transportation charges. Transportation charges. What is transportation charges? I'm buying goods from Delhi. I'm buying books from Delhi. What am I going to do with the book? I'm going to sell the book. From Delhi, all the way the books has to come to Coimbatore. How will I get it? I'll go to Delhi, lift like this in hand and come all the way flying. Where? To Coimbatore. Hell no. I'll come like that. No. I'll courier, transport, ship, whatever it is from Delhi all the way to Coimbatore. Got it? Not got it? So, if at all I'm sending it through courier charges comes, no? That is nothing but transportation. Or they might put it in big lorry transportation. Truck, that's right. Truck, they'll put it. So truck have to pay charges. That is also called as transportation charges. Got it? Not got it? Which means the transportation charges what I incur is helping me to earn my income, either directly or indirectly. Got it? Not got it? Stationery expenses. When you write test, I'll give you ruled sheet. I'll give question paper on the A4 sheet. Now, to print the question paper on the A4 sheet, I need to buy the A4 sheet. So the A4 sheet that I buy, the ruled sheets that I buy, that is helping me to earn income in my business, either directly or indirectly. So all these expenditure are nothing but cost incurred to earn income. Sir, if I'm incurring any cost which is not helping me to earn the income of current year, can I still call that as expenditure? No. If any cost that you've incurred in the current year, from which you're not getting benefit in the current year, or which is not contributing to revenue of the current year, that cannot be called as expense of current year. Which means to call a cost as expenditure, it should give me benefit in the current year. It should give me benefit in the current year. It should help to contribute the income of the current year. Only that item will be called as expenditure. Got it? Not got it? So the 24 lakh rent what I paid, in that 12 lakhs current year ka rent is current year expenditure. Remaining 12 lakh for the current year is called as prepaid expenditure, which will become expenditure for next year. Got it? Not got it? Now, you will come across the term called as profit. You will come across the term called as profit. What is profit? When the total business income is more than expenses. When your income is more than expenses, we call it as profit. Hell no. Anything difficult here? No. If income is more than expenditure, it is profit. If expenditure is more than income, loss. Profit is further divided into two types. One is called as gross profit. Second is called as net profit. Third is called as operating profit, which you will study in the 12th standard, where in the ratio topic. But at 11th grade level, you will be now encountering with only two types of profit. One is called as gross profit. Second is called as net profit. What is gross profit? What is net profit? If I discuss right now, you'll go in coma. You'll go in coma because to discuss this, I need not one class, I need multiple classes. So I will discuss this not here, but in one place called as financial statement. There's one chapter called as preparation of the financial statement for the sole proprietorship concern. Preparing final accounts of the sole proprietorship concern. In that topic, I'll be discussing about it. Got it? Not got it? So where, sir? See here. Chapter number 18. Financial statement of sole proprietorship concern. In this, I'll discuss in depth about gross profit, net profit, gross loss, net loss. In this topic, we'll discuss in depth about trading and profit and loss account. In depth, we'll discuss about balance sheet. This is the ultimate chapter. These two, 18 and 19. Ultimate chapter. So throughout this 4-5 months, what we're going to learn, no, the actual essence of it, you'll understand when you know only in chapter 18 and 19. Got it? Not got it? Now, what is loss? When expense is more than income, it is called as loss. Loss is of two types. One is gross loss, second is net loss. We have something called as operating loss also, but that we'll discuss where? In 12th standard. If this is clear, can I continue? The terminology what we discussed so far were general terminology and some were the terms used in trading and profit and loss account. Sales, where do you record? In trading and profit and loss account. Sale is nothing but income. Sale is nothing but income. Purchases is nothing but expenditure. So the terms that I've discussed so far, loss, profit, expense, sales return, then purchase and purchase return, all this terminology belongs to trading and profit and loss account. A lot of terminology more are left. We will learn it eventually. But broadly, these are the terms which we will commonly use in trading and profit and loss account. If I ask you, sales, where do you record? In which document? What will you say? Trading and profit and loss account. Correct. It goes to sale book only. Sale will go to sale book only. But from sale book, ultimately where it will go to? Trading and profit and loss account. Ultimately where it will go to? Trading and profit and loss account. Once I complete the basic accounting terms, I'll start with the topic of rules of debit and credit. In that, I'll discuss the complete accounting process, how it starts step by step. Ultimately, where will we go to? Everything I'll discuss in depth. Initially, what am I discussing? I'm just trying to make you familiar with certain terms. Why? Because in the upcoming classes, we'll be doing a lot of questions. In that questions, all these terms will come. So if you don't understand it, how will you work it out? Got it? Not got it? So I'm trying to make you familiar with certain terms. So if I ask you, sales, where will I record in? Which document? There are two documents only, trading P&L and balance sheet. These both put together are called as financial statement. Ultimately, how many documents are there? Only two documents. One is trading P&L, second is balance sheet. So sales ultimately goes where? Ultimately, last, trading and profit and loss account. Sales return, where does it go to? Trading and profit and loss account. Purchases, where it goes to? Trading and profit and loss account. Purchase return, where does it go to? Trading and profit and loss account. Expenses, where does it go to? Rent, electricity, where? Trading and profit and loss account. Got it? Not got it? Profit comes where? In trading and profit and loss account. Loss comes from where? Trading and profit and loss account. Got it? Not got it? Well, no. Ultimately, I'm talking. In between, sales will go to sale book only. Sale account. Lot of drama is happening in between. That I'll discuss in the accounting process. Ultimately, where does the sale go? Trading and P&L account. Is the flow clear? I mean, flow obviously I've not discussed. End part clear. Ultimately, where it goes is clear. Okay. Now I want to discuss with all of you certain terminology which we'll use in document called as balance sheet. So far, these terms were the terms used in trading and profit and loss account. Now I'm telling you, these are the terms that I'm going to use in balance sheet. Balance sheet is also called as trading and profit and loss account is called as income statement. Balance sheet is called as position statement. Very good. This topic, this point, I made you write in the notes in the last class. I didn't write it in the PDF on purpose. I told orally that balance sheet also is called as position statement. Got it? Not got it? Those who made a note of that, they said me immediately. Others you forgot. So trading and profit and loss account is also called as income statement, and balance sheet is called as position statement. Got it? Not got it? Okay. In the balance sheet, what do you capture? In the balance sheet, what do you capture? You capture three data. One is asset data, second is capital data, third is liability data. Got it? Not got it? In trading and P&L, what do you capture? Two data: income and expenditure. Income and expenditure. Income, expenditure, where do I record? Ultimately, trading and profit and loss account. Asset, liability, capital. These three monkeys will go to which account? Balance sheet. Got it? Not got it? So balance sheet is providing you the data of the asset, liability, and capital. Now we have to understand what is the meaning of liabilities. Then we have to understand what are the different types of liabilities. Then we'll try to understand what is capital. Then we'll try to understand what is asset. Then we'll try to understand what are the different types of assets. Got it? Not got it? Now, can I start the discussion about liabilities? Tell me, people. Can I explain you the meaning of liabilities? Can I start? No energy. I'm going home. Bye. I'll go. वो बोल रहा हाँ करेंगे. Can I go? I'll go. पक्का. देख, पब्लिक डिमांड पे रुक रहा हूं मैं, वरना मैं चला जाता. On public demand, I'm staying back. Or this atta maja statically, I would have gone by now. Correct? No. 25 ஒரு கிளாஸ்க்கு 25K இல்லடா, நான் அடுத்த கிளாஸ் வரல திருப்பி. அப்பா ஃபீல் பண்ண 25K கொடுத்து அப்புறம் நக்கிட்டு போயிடல சார். இல்ல அடுத்த கிளாஸ் வந்துடுறேன் திருப்பி நான். But now on public demand, I'm here only. Okay, now what is meant by liabilities? What is meant by liabilities? Listen to very carefully. Liabilities are obligation or debt or amount that an enterprise has to pay sometime in the near future. Very heavy loaded. Yo, customer. Okay. Can I make it simple for you? In simple words, what is liability? Anything that the business has to pay to outsider in future. Anything that I have to pay in future is liabilities. Let me remove all the other words. Simple. Anything that the business has to pay to anyone in future I have to pay. That is called as liabilities. Got it? Not got it? What happened? Says very dull. You're looking very dull today. Very tired? No? Okay. What is liability? Anything that I have to pay to anyone in future is called as liability. Got it? Not got it? Got it? Got it? Okay. Example. Let's say you borrowed 1,000 from your friends. As of now, is there any gentleman present here who's borrowed money from your friend? Who's yet to repay? How much, Pratik? 60 rupees. Oh my God. Harshil says 60 rupees is borrowed from me, sir. Is not given. Now, 60 rupees nahi. 60,000. 60,000. 60 rupees only, no? I got shocked. இவ்வளவு high-fi language use பண்ண ஒன்றும் புரியுது எனக்கு. Now come back. Now, Pratik has borrowed from Harshil how much? 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Now, is Pratik supposed to pay this money back to Harshil or not? Public, you tell me. Should Pratik pay 60 rupees to Harshil or not? Yes. If Pratik says, okay, I'll pay, not now, I'll pay in future, then for Pratik, the 60 becomes liability. Same thing for Harshil becomes asset. Oh my God. Clear or not clear? Which means if I have to remember to pay anyone in future, that is called as liability. If I have to receive from anyone in future means asset. Oh, that's all. This is liability. Let's say you, Pratik, borrowed 1,000 from your friend. Friend's name is Harshil. Now you, Pratik, have to return that money. That 1,000 is liability for Pratik because you owe that money to your friend Harshil. So for Pratik, who has borrowed the money, who has to repay the money in future, for Pratik it is liability. It is called as liability. And for Harshil, since he has to receive in future, for him it is asset. Okay, not okay. Pratik means I want to clarify, not this Pratik. There's a new Pratik sitting in class. So this Pratik has not borrowed anything from anyone. Debt free. Okay, not okay. Oh. Are you able to understand what is the meaning of liabilities? Simple layman language I've explained. What is liability? Sir, anything that I have to pay to anyone in future is called as liability. Okay, not okay. So why do we record this as liability, sir? Why complicating? Why? Because we are Gajani. You know who's Gajani? Who's Gajani? That Gajani movie came, no? Amir Khan movie. In Tamil Surya movie. You didn't see that movie? That's the problem. When Gajani came, you guys were born or not born? What is your date of birth approximately? 2010, na? When did Gajani movie come? I don't know. Oh, 8, which before you were born, that movie came. I'm sure you wouldn't have watched it, no? Or did you watch it? You guys have watched it? You guys watch old movies also? Means after, no, before you were born, whatever movies were released, all of that you watched? I mean, something of it? No? Watched it. Very good, very good. அப்பனா வேலை வெட்டி எதுவும் கிடையாது நடக்குது. Okay. So all those who don't know, there's a movie called as Gajani. It is there in Tamil also, it is there in Hindi also. Both name is Gajani only. Both movie name is titled Gajani only. In Tamil, it is acted by Surya. Hindi, it is Amir Khan. In that movie, Amir Khan's ka name is not Gajani. Villain ka name is Gajani. But movie ka name, they have kept it as Gajani. Sir, why sir? Kolaveriga. In short, what happens in that movie is that every 15 minutes, Amir Khan will forget. Every 15 minutes, Amir Khan or Surya will forget. After 15 minutes, his employee will come and talk to him. Amir Khan will ask, who are you? Short-term memory loss. He suffers short-term memory loss in that movie. So I'm telling all of you, Gajani, because you guys also have short-term memory loss. Yes or no? Hell no. No, you have. I asked you in the last class, what is another name for balance sheet? Only one girl said position statement. Rest all forgot. What is this? Short-term memory loss only. No. In movie, he forgets once in 15 minutes. You forget once in one day. So whatever you learn today, tomorrow you forget. You are also no less than Gajani, no? So accept it. All of you, including me, are Gajani. Think about it, no? In business, you have to pay money to lot of people. You have to pay money to lot of people. And to everybody, you have to pay different money. Imagine, Kalpavriksha Academy has to pay amount to 30 people, 30 different people. Amount also is different. Is it possible for me to remember how much money should I pay to which person? Is it possible to remember? Not possible, boss. Human beingly, it is not possible to remember all the data. Hence, we have the habit of making a note. To this person, I have to pay so much. To that person, I have to pay so much. Got it, not got it. So this balance sheet is nothing but replacement of our memory. Balance sheet is what? Replacement of our memory. Got it, not got it. So this balance sheet is T-shaped. T-shaped. Whereas in the left-hand side, this left-hand side part is LHS. You'll record all the liabilities. Means what? The money to whom which I have to pay. The money which I have to pay to somebody in future. No, I'll make a list of all of them here along with the amount. Liabilities. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? So balance sheet is a pure replacement of your memory. Because in business, you have to pay lot of money to lot of people at different point of time. So we don't know how much money I should pay to which all people at what time period I have to pay. I don't know. Hence, I document in one place called as balance sheet. Got it, not got it? Hell no. Now, the liabilities are further bifurcated into two categories. The liabilities are further bifurcated into two categories. One is called as internal liability. Second is called as external liability. This is also there in your syllabus. The liabilities are bifurcated into two categories. One is called as internal liability. Second is called as external liability. What is internal liability? Any money that the business has to pay to the owner in future. Any money that the business has to pay to the owner in future is called as internal liability. Amount owed. OWD stands for what? Owed means what? Have to pay. Any amount owed by the business to the owner is called as internal liability. Got it? Not got it? Two examples for that. One is capital. Second is reserve and surplus. On the other hand, any amount owed to the outsider, third party, means other than owner, is called as external liability. Any money that I have to pay to other than owner is called as external liability. Got it? Not got it? So any money that we have to pay to the owner in future is internal liability. Clear or not clear? Now, liabilities are classified again into two types. One is non-current liability. Second is current liability. Now, this is not as per accounts. This is as per Companies Act. Got it? Not got it? So about this, I'll discuss in depth in 12th standard, not in 11th standard. In 11th standard, my discussion is only till this point. This point. Am I loud and clear? So now can I discuss what is internal liability, what is capital, what is reserve and surplus? Can I have a discussion on that? Now, types of liability, I'll come back and discuss a little later. Capital. What is the meaning of capital? Have you come across this term somewhere? Capital. Amount invested in the business by the owner. Correct. In simple word, capital is the money or resources. So those who said capital is money invested in the business by the owner is not 100% correct. It is either money or resources that the owner invests in the business to start or run the business. Now, tell me people, I want to start an academy. This academy is there already, forget it. I'm meeting you first time today. Who are you all? Chartered accountants. Who are you all? Chartered accountants. I'm coming purely as, as a, what do you call it, client of yours. I'm telling you, sir, how do I start my business? How do I start my business? How much money should I invest? Please guide. So as a CA first, what will you tell? So please make a note of all the items that you need to buy to start the academy. You tell me people, to start this academy, what and all I need? Tell me people. To start this academy, what all I need? So first I have to search the place. Who said place? Yes, very good. Sir, first you have to identify the, clap, no problem, clap. First, I need a place to set up my academy. Now I'm taking this place on rent. Okay, wow. All of you know that whenever you take any place on rent, you have to pay advance to the landlord. You have to pay advance to the landlord. So now, advance to the landlord is coming out to be advance to landlord. 5 lakh rupees. This is the first thing that you have to keep it ready. Got it, not got it? Okay. We found one place, this place, 5 lakh decided that we have to pay to the landlord. Okay. Next, what do I need to buy next? Sir, for students to come and sit, I need furniture. So I need to purchase furniture. Not just that, in office room, I need to buy table. When parents and students come for discussion, I need chairs for that also. There's one reception counter. I need to develop some reception counter also. So in total, the entire furniture that I require for the academy is worth another 5 lakh rupees. 2 lakh. Who's that 2 lakh rupees? Dange fella. 5 lakh rupees. Okay, not okay. Next, what do I need to buy? Sir, first thing, projector is required. Without projector, how will you see? So I need to buy projector. Projector is how much? This 50,000. Who said 50,000? 2 lakh ராஜு 2 லட்சம் ரூபா 50,000 தெரியுதா உனக்கு கண்ணுக்கு? No, people are staring at projector. Oh, 2 lakh rupees projector. This kind of clarity to get, I need to buy this projector. This is 2 lakh worth of projector. Donkey people. 50,000 number, 50,000. If you buy this projector for 20,000, no. You ask whatever you want, I'll give. Full 11th class, I'll take free of cost for you. If you get the same projector for 20,000 rupees. Full 11th class sponsored from my side. Original I want. With bill. Get it for 20,000 rupees. Donkey people. 2 lakh project 20,000 okay? Now, I put 20,000 telling, 1-0. Oh, looking at this, you said 20,000. My God. Now, AC, very good. We need AC. Tell me, people, AC how much? 2 AC wire 1.5 lakh. 75,000 is sufficient. Huh? AC da. Mudilada. Now okay va. Then what do I need? EF, electrical fittings, light, fan, all put together how much? 25,000 rupees. What else? Main thing I forgot. Gadgets lada. Laptop and computer. 1,75,000 rupees. Then mic, speaker, setup. 75,000 rupees. குடுக்குறாங்க உனக்கு. Hey, camera, very good. Camera, which I'm using for recording. 25,000 rupees. CCTV, how much? I don't know, yaar. It is somewhere around how many? 5, 8 are there? No. 50,000 input. That's all. To start academy, these are the minimum things I wanted. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, tell me the total of this, no? 15.25 lakh. Very good. Others, please, can you just recheck? 15 or 16? Others, please use your calculator and do it fast. Tell me how much is the total? 16 lakh 25,000. Okay, others. 16 lakh 25,000 people are saying. Others, online people, tell me, no? 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 50. 15, 50, 16, 16, 25. 16, 25 is correct answer. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. Right from day one of starting the academy, will I start receiving money? Will I get money? No. It'll take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months for students to come. So right from day one, any business will not get money. Apana, on the month, rent, how will I pay? That month, electricity bill, how will I pay? I need money for that also. That is called as working capital. What is it called as? Working capital. What is working capital? Working capital is that capital that is required for day-to-day expenditure. Working capital is that capital which is required for meeting my day-to-day expenditure. Got it? Not got it? 1625 you said, no? How much will it total to 20 lakh? How much should I add to total up to 20 lakh? 3 lakh 75,000. So I need 3 lakh 75,000 to meet my monthly expenditures for rent, electricity, salary for the staff, etc. etc. For 3 months, I need 3 lakh 75,000. Got it? Not got it? So in total, I need 20 lakh rupees people to start this academy. Got it? Not got it? This is called as capital requirement. This is called as capital requirement. This much money I need to start the business. So are you able to understand how people calculate how much capital should be invested in the business? How did I calculate? I made a rough estimate to start the business. What and all I need to buy? What and all I need to buy? So for that, I need this much money. I got to know. Got it? Not got it? This is how you calculate the capital. Got it? Not got it? Now, this 20 lakh rupees money I need to start the business. Can you go to the bank and ask, bank, I want to start a business. Give me a loan of 20 lakh rupees. Will he give? He'll give 20 slaps and send you back home. He'll give you 20 slaps and send you back home. Danky fellow. Your business. You don't have money. I will sponsor for you. Tomorrow, if you take this 20 lakh and run away, what will I do? Got it? Not got it? So nobody will give you money just like that. First, you show confidence in your business by investing in your own funds. Got it? Not got it? So, banker and investor says that before coming and begging for the money, you prove that your business model is hit. Super. How? By investing your own money, your own funds. If you put your own funds and if your business is into profit, to expand the business, you come and take the money from investor. You come and take the money from the banker as a loan will give it. But first, prove your business model. Prove your business model is a success. Then you come and ask me money. So initial money required to run the business will never be given by the outsiders. That money has to be contributed by the owner. Got it? Not got it? So the money that the owner contributes to the business to start the business is called as capital. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Bore mar raha hai? Both of you? Boring? Very boring. See, instead of accounts class, we should have had PT class. Daily one sport we can play. Then Majja will come in life. Oh my God. So tomorrow, after completing your degree, don't go and sit in job. Boring. Don't go and sit in your business. Boring. Play. Play in life. Why are you doing marriage and all getting stuck unnecessarily? Play. किसको बोलना पड़ेगा? अरे मेरे लिए रे, उसके लिए बोल रहा हूं मैं. In life, everything that you do is boring only. You ask person who's going for job morning 9 o'clock, evening 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. How much gala time is having? Ask him. No. Nobody's enjoying the job. Nobody's enjoying business, but people have to do because that gives you paisa, money, which is required for you to play. Oh my God. Here also play. Oh my God. Money is required to have a good materialistic life. I never said happy life. I said good materialistic life. For that, money is required. Money is required. You cannot deny it. So today, what you're studying is not for me. For you are studying. Yes or no? Tell me no. Okay. I don't want to give more lecture. Let's focus on the topic. One day I'll come with big lecture. I'll come. Not today. SPJ. Who is it? S.Prathik Jain. Got it? Not got it? Invested 20 lakh rupees in FFLA or KVA. Both are my academy. FFLA or KVA. Got it? Not got it? Now, FFLA and KVA is nothing but entity or enterprise. Got it? Not got it? SPJ is called as human being. More specifically, SPJ is called as owner who is investing money in FFLA. So, from SPJ's viewpoint, this 20 lakh rupees is called as what? Capital. Wrong. It is called as investment. From the point of view of SPJ, owner, this money what has been given to business is called as investment. So, from whose point of view it is capital? It is from the point of view of entity. From entity's viewpoint, the money what the business receives is called as capital. Tell me people, at one point of the time, when I close the academy one day, is the entity not supposed to pay that money back to the owner? Is the entity not supposed to pay the money back to the owner? It has to pay. So any money that the entity has to pay to anyone in future is called as liability. What is it called as? Liability. Since this money is paid to the owner, this liability is called as internal liability. Internal liability. Got it? Not got it? Hell no. For owner, it is called as investment. For owner, it is called as investment. For entity, is called as capital. What is capital? Capital is the initial money required to start or run the business. To start or run the business. So capital is the money. What is the resource? I'll come back a little later. Capital is the money that the owner invests in the business to start the business. To start the business, I need capital. Or to run the business, I need capital. Got it? Not got it? Imagine 5 years has gone by. 5 years has gone by. Now I want to do some little bit here and the renovation. I want to do little bit renovation. The money which is there in business is not sufficient. I need more money. So again, I'm asking the money from owner, because this renovation is required to run the business. Chairs are all broken. I need to replace it. Chairs are all broken. I need to replace it. AC is not functioning properly. This AC alone I have to replace. Got it, not got it. So I need again 5 lakh rupees. How much? 5 lakh rupees. So this money, what I get from the owner, is called as capital. Which capital? Additional capital. So the capital that you get for the first time is called as initial capital. Thereafter, whenever you get any further capital from the owner, that is called as additional capital. Got it, not got it? Initial capital is to start the business, whereas additional capital is to run the business further. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Am I talking sense or nonsense? Hell no. Who said nonsense? Who said nonsense? Nobody said. Oh, my inner voice. I'm so sorry. Am I talking sense? 100%. Clear or not clear? Okay. Sir, capital should be in only form of money. Huh? Should capital be only in form of money? No, it can be any form. It can be in any form. Got it, not got it? Capital can be both in cash or kind. Kind means not that kind, which is there in English language. I'm so kind to you. You are so kind to me. No. What is this kind? What does this kind mean here? It's a physical thing. Listen now. The laptop, what I need, or the PC or computer, what I need to take the classes, that I already had at home. Personally, I already had this laptop. I'm telling you seriously, this laptop, no, I didn't buy from the business ka, what do you call it, money or capital. This laptop I already had. You tell me, people. Common sense says what? I will take this laptop as it is in the business, or will I put money and buy a new laptop? You will ask, sir, this laptop, don't you need for personal purpose? I said, no. At home, I don't need any laptop. That time I was doing online classes, that time I took for home purpose. Now I'm setting an official academy. So this laptop I'm going to use only for academy purpose. I don't need any personal laptop. So this personal laptop I'm giving to the business for using in business. Got it, not got it? So now this laptop, what I gave to the business, is called as capital contribution in form of kind. Got it, not got it? So capital, what it can be given, 20 lakh capital, I can give it in form of cash and kind. Now in kind, what I'm giving is worth how much? This laptop and PC both put together is worth how much? 1,75,000 rupees. Got it, not got it? So this is called as capital contributed in kind. Rest all I didn't have. I don't have any furniture with me. I don't have any projector at home. I don't have any AC, electrical fitting, speaker, camera, CCTV at home. I have to buy all of this. For this, I need money. So remaining capital is how much, people? From 20 lakh rupees, if I minus 1,75,000 laptop ka value, how much is remaining amount? 18,25,000 is called as capital in cash. Cash includes bank. Cash includes bank. Got it, not got it? So capital can be contributed either in form of cash or in form of kind. So this kind should have some monetary value. So you will ask me, sir, this laptop what you've purchased for personal purpose, no, it is worth how much? I will say I purchased for 2 lakh rupees. Can I give this entire laptop for 2 lakh rupees to business? No, because I've used this laptop for few months, no? The few months ka charges have to minus. So I've used laptop worth 25,000 rupees. So unused value of the laptop is how much? 1,75,000. This is the value of that asset. This is the monetary value of that particular laptop. Got it, not got it? So this is 175. This is how I calculated this 175 here. Got it, not got it? About this, we'll discuss in depth in a topic called as depreciation. This one chapter called as depreciation. In there, we'll discuss in depth about how the 25,000 is calculated and subtracted. Got it, not got it? So now, what is capital? Capital is money or resource. Resource means what? Laptop. That the owner invested in the business either to start or run. It's not either. It is to start and run the business. Got it, not got it? Capital is the owner's money in the business. Capital is owner's money in the business. Why capital is important? A business needs initial money to purchase goods for selling purpose. Imagine I'm starting a new business for buying and selling laptop. I'm starting the business of buying and selling laptop. To sell laptop, what do I need, boss? I need to buy laptop. To buy laptop, I need paisa. Can you get the laptop on credit on the day one of your business? Go and ask anybody. No, I want to buy 50 laptops. Give me on credit. Go and ask any shopkeeper. Nobody will give you. Why will he give you? He doesn't know you, boss. Even if he knows you, nobody will give you 50 laptops on credit to a new businessman. Because he does not know whether you have the experience to run the business or not. Whether you will be able to run the business properly or not. He does not have the confidence on you. So on what basis will anybody give you the goods on credit? So nobody will give the goods initially on credit. You have to invest money, buy the product for selling purpose. Yes or no? Tell no. Yes. So for purchasing goods, I need money. For paying the initial rent and salary, I said no, academy will not function for 3 months. For 3 months ka rent I have to pay, 3 months ka salary I have to pay. That money will come from where? Working capital. What is working capital? Nothing but capital. Got it, not got it. I need to buy furniture, machineries, etc., etc. So all the initial money that is required to start the business or run the business, that is called as capital. So capital is very important. Without capital, I cannot start my business. Without capital, I cannot start my business. Got it, not got it. All the above money spent is made generally out of the initial funds contributed by the owner, which is termed as capital. All the above money spent. I purchased furniture for my academy. I've purchased so many other things for my academy. The goods, what you called, the advance what I gave to my owner, landlord, the rent what I paid, salary what I paid, it is out of capital. All it is out of capital. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Okay. I discussed with you the other day that in India, if you want to run business, you need to have a form or a body in which you can operate. You should have a form or a body in which you can operate. If, for example, a soul to come on this planet, it needs a body. Got it, not got it? Soul needs a body through which it can operate. Yes or no? In the same manner, concentrate, no, 5 minutes, I'll be done with it. Innale mudila. Full weakness. I'm doing it for you only. Therefore, if you want to operate business in India, that business or entity should have a form or a body through which it can operate. So there are multiple forms or bodies through which you can operate your business. First is called as sole proprietorship business model, in which single owner is the, owner of the business. Single person is the owner of the business. Single owner, basically. So the capital that he contributes is termed as just capital. The capital what is contributed is called as just capital. But there are a lot of drawbacks about the sole proprietorship business, which I'll discuss in depth when I do partnership with you in the 12th standard. That time in depth I'll discuss. Right? Now, there are some limitation or the drawback of the sole proprietorship business. To overcome the drawback, you can run the business in form of partnership. So partnership is the second form or a body through which you can operate, where there are, don't say multiple, 2 or more owners. Now the capital what is contributed by the owner in the partnership business is called as partners capital. What is it called as? Partners capital. And here the owner is not called as owner. Here the owner is called as partner. What is owner called here as? Partner. And the capital contributed with the partner is called as partners capital. Got it, not got it? Both are same only, but terminology is different. Now this partnership business has got some inherent limitation. To overcome this limitation, there's another form or body which is called as LLP, which is called as limited liability partnership. Same feature again. In LLP, the owners are called as partners, and the capital contributed by them is called as partners capital. Now this LLP has got some drawback. To overcome the drawback, we form something called as companies. We form something called as companies. In companies, there are 2 or more persons, 2 or more owners. Got it, not got it? Sir, even 1 person can be the owner. That is called as 1-person company. There are 3 types of company in total. 1-person company, private limited companies, and public limited company. Idupati in depth I'll discuss in 12th standard. Got it, not got it? In simple language, I'm telling, okay, forget this. In company, there can be 1 or more owner. Okay, va. In companies, owners are not called as owners. In companies, owners are called as shareholders. What are they called as? Shareholders. And the capital, what they contribute is called as share capital. The capital which is shared by multiple owners is called as share capital. These are the different terminology that we use it. Ultimately, everything means same only, but terms are different as per the form or the body. Got it? Not got it? So capital is the amount invested. Capital is an amount invested in the business by the sole owner. That is called as what business model? Proprietorship business model. If capital is an amount invested by the capital is an amount invested in the business by a partner owner in case of partnership business. In case of partnership business, the capital that is contributed by the owner is called as partners capital. In case of company, the capital that has been contributed by the shareholder is called as share capital. I'll just add this point and give it. Is that okay or not okay? Hell no. Okay. Till this it is clear? Till this are you clear? Okay. These 2 points are yet to be explained. Can I take this in the next class? Because if I start a discussion on this, it'll take some time. Because I have to explain what is meaning of profit. This is easy. But drawings, I have to again come back and explain this point, without which my discussion cannot be completed. So if I continue this point in the next class, is that okay? Right? I'll upload this document in the WhatsApp group. My humble request to all of you is that please revise before coming in the next class. Will you all do that? Will you all do that? Okay. Hello people, let's wind up here. That's all from my side for this session. I will see you all in the next class, which can be on Saturday or Sunday. I'll update in the group. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you so much.